Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Discord template on phone. So first go to Safari, open up your Discord page, log into your Discord account and now go to your Discord server and then from here go to your server settings. Go to your server settings and then from here search for server template and then scroll up and now tap delete template. So this is how you can delete your Discord template. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.